Dear students, we will see priority based scheduling. In the priority based scheduling, we are going to discuss about round robin scheduling. So later we will discuss about process priorities, rate monotonic scheduling, earliest deadline first scheduling, shared resources and priority inversions. So what is round robin scheduling? Round robin is a preemptive process scheduling algorithm. Each process is provided a fixed time to execute this process, that is called the quantum. The fixed time is called quantum. Once a process is executed for a given time period, it is preempted and other process executed for the given time period. So here the preempted processes are saved using this context switching. So context switching is used to save the states of the preempted processes. We will see example. Here the examples are given. Process time. We are considering this process time. Process are P0, P1, P2 and P3, and the arrival time of the process is 0, 1, 2, 3, and the executing time or burst time is 5, 3, 8, 6. Another priority is given 1, 9, 1, 3. Okay. Now here the quantum is given. The fixed time for the process is 3. That is called quantum. Okay. Now we have to use the queues. Okay. So we are going to use the queues. Queue. So first in our queue, first we have to take this P0. So P0 will be in our queue. Okay. P0 will be in our queue. Right? We will see the P0 in our queue. So first P0 will go, right? So the quantum time is 0 to, you can see here from 0 to 3. Okay, the quantum is 0 to 3. So here the burst time is here for P0 it is given 5. So the remaining execution time is available, it is 2. So it should be, again it go to the queue. But P1 at that time you have to check this arrival time. P1 is arrival time is 1, P2 arrival time is 2 and P3 arrival time is 3. So within these 3 time, this P1 will be come, it will be in the queue, it's ready in the queue, right? And P2 will be there and P3 will be there. Okay. So again the P0 execution time, the balance is, it is also there. So P0 should be in it will also go to the queue. Okay. Now we'll see the P1. So P0 over. Now we are going to see the P1. So P1 bursting time is 3. So from 3 to 6 P1 will executed. Then so that's all. It is over. It is completed. So it is completed. The next you have to see the queue. Queue is P2 is there. So P2 from 6 to 9 the P2 will executed. So here the bursting time is, so remaining is 5. So it should be go to the queue, right? Okay. So P2 will go to the queue because remaining execution time is there. P2. Then next is the P3. P3 execution time is 6. So the remaining is 3. So from 9 to 12 P3 will execute. Now in a queue it is P0 is there. So here the remaining execution time is only 2. So 12 to 14. Then next what is available in the queue? P2. So P2 is, so again it will burst, 3 will burst it. So the remaining is 2 will be there, right? So remaining 2. So 14 to 17 P2 will execute it. Remain 2 is there. So it should be go to, sorry, P3 I missed here. So P3 is there. After that only P2 will come. Okay, P2 will again come. P2 will come. P2 will come. So here the P3 P2 is over. P3 is again 3. So 3 72 20. So P3 will get over. So P3 is get over at 20. So remaining P2 is 2. So 20 to 22 the P2 will get over. So the P0 completion time is, what is the P0 completion time? 14, P0 completion time is 14, P1 completion time is 6, right? And P3 completion time is, what is the P2 completion time? P2 is 22 and P3 is 20. Please kindly reminder that the P0 is 14, completion time is 14, P0 is 14 and this is P2 is 6, sorry, P1 is 6 and P2 is 22 and P3 is 20. Now we have to calculate the wait time. How we can calculate the wait time? So now I'll repeat. So the completion time of the P0 is 14 and P1 is 6 and P2 is 22 and P3 is 20. Okay. So I'll tell you the easy way how to calculate this wait time. So instead of this, we can calculate turnaround time. Turnaround time is, so we have to calculate the turnaround time for P0, P1 and P2 and P3. Okay, we'll calculate this one. So turnaround time is, so completion time minus arrival time. So okay, completion time and minus arrival time. So what is the completion time? The completion time is for P0 is 14, arrival time is 0. So it is equal to 14. Okay. Then P1 completion time is 6. What is the arrival time? 1. So it is 5. Next P2. What is the P2 arrival time? 22. The arrival time is 2. So it is 20. Right. Then P3 is 20. So 20 minus arrival time is 3. So 17. Okay. What to calculate? So this is a turnaround time. So now we have to calculate the wait time. How to calculate the wait time? So wait time is equal to this turnaround time minus burst time, BT, or execution time. Okay. So here the time for P0 14, the burst time for the P0 is 5. So 5 minus, so P0 is equal to, so this is wait time. So P0 is equal to 14 minus 5, it is 9. Okay, it is 9. So what is waiting time for this P1 is 5 minus, the burst time is 3, so 5 minus equal to 2. So burst time 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. The next is P2 and turnaround time is 20. 20 minus 8, right? It is comes around 12. Okay, then the P3 is 17 minus burst time is 6. 17 minus 6 is 11. So we'll get 9, 2, 12 and 11. This way you can calculate your waiting time and what is the turnaround time and what is the wait time and how to execute this when the P0, P1, P2 will completed this process. I hope you understand this round robin schedule. Thank you.